If your Gamma app publish button is not working, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the issue in just a minute or two. This is especially helpful if you finish building your site or project in Gamma, but nothing happens when you click publish. Instead of guessing, we'll go step by step so you can get your project live without wasting time. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick app tutorials. Alright, let's fix it. First, open the Gamma site or the project you want to publish. Make sure you're inside the correct project and not on an old draft or a different workspace. Sometimes the issue is as simple as being in the wrong file or page. Once you're there, wait a few seconds and let Gamma finish saving any recent changes. If you click Publish too fast, the button may not respond because the project is still syncing in the background. After waiting, try clicking Publish again. If it works, great. You're done. But if the button still does nothing, the next best step is to refresh the page. A simple refresh can clear a temporary loading issue, reconnect the session, and help Gamma recognize the latest saved version of your project. After refreshing, give it another try and click Publish one more time. If it still isn't working, check whether any required site settings are missing. In some cases, Gamma needs certain publish settings completed before the button will respond correctly. Look through the publishing options carefully and make sure nothing is incomplete, disabled, or left blank. A missing setting can stop the publishing process even when everything else looks fine. If you've checked the settings and the issue continues, try publishing from another browser. Browser extensions, cache issues, or temporary compatibility problems can interfere with the Publish button. Open Gamma in a different browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari, sign in again and test the Publish action there. This often solves problems that seem random on one browser but work perfectly on another. If the button still isn't responding after all of that, it may help to close the project, reopen it, and repeat the steps one more time. Sometimes, a fresh session is all Gamma needs to properly register the Publish command. And if you're working on a larger project, be sure to confirm everything is fully loaded before trying again. So, to recap, the main fixes are: open the correct Gamma project, wait for changes to save, click Publish again, refresh the page if needed, check for missing site settings, and try another browser if the issue continues. These quick checks solve most Publish button problems without needing any technical troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you fix Gamma's Publish button not working, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.